my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. A quick and delicious meal is something everyone looks for after a long, crazy day. With our hectic schedules, we don't need to spend more time than we have to making dinner for a family. I have a long list of gorgeous and flavorful recipes. And now, here's another one to add to that yummy list. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my baked salmon with dill sauce. Light and super quick, this is the perfect easy dish to make on weeknights or when you're short on time. With a fresh, tasty dill sauce, spoon over salmon, although you can use other fish, this is a lovely recipe to make. So my friends, let's get cooking.
Here's our beautiful fish fillet, and we'll pat it dry like we always do. Next, we'll put some lemon slices on a baking sheet lined with foil before placing the salmon on top. We just want to make sure the bottom is sitting on the fruit slices, protecting it from the heat source. It doesn't have to be perfect, okay? We'll season with lemon pepper seasoning, which you can easily find at your local supermarket, and we'll also add some ground sea salt. We'll transfer the fish to a 400-degree preheated oven and bake for 15 minutes. Meanwhile, we'll make the sauce. In a bowl, we'll add sour cream, Miracle Whip. Come on now, don't roll your eyes, because using this instead of mayo will give some zip to your sauce. Then Dijon mustard, some fresh chopped dill, freshly squeezed lemon juice, pressed garlic, just 1 clove, ground sea salt to taste, and the same with freshly ground black pepper. We'll stir very well and set aside until needed. Back to the salmon. When the internal temperature reaches between 135 to 145 degrees Fahrenheit, we'll remove from the heat, portion it, spoon our delicious dill sauce over, and serve with herb and butter rice, steamed vegetables, along with lemon wedges. And my friends, this is our baked salmon with dill sauce. Within 20 minutes, you and your family can enjoy this incredible recipe. It's super easy to make, plus another flavorful way to enjoy salmon, although you can always use other kinds of fish. This is perfect for weeknights. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!